All right, welcome back to Great Lakes Silver Stacking YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over another numismatic coin I picked up. This is another 1 ounce silver Canadian maple. This is 1 of 100. Well, it's not serial number 1, but there's only 100 minted and I was able to snag one. I did originally purchase 2 of a different kind. If you go back in my videos, it's a Shadows silver maple. There was a little bit of a problem with the inventory and they actually only had 1 in stock, so they gave me a $250 credit and I ended up picking this up for 50 bucks after it's all said and done. Originally worth $2.99. I did get it from firstcoincompany.com. Typically I don't go for the numismatic stuff, but these Canadian coins are absolutely beautiful, and here it is. Beautiful 1 ounce Canadian maple. Here is the certificate of authenticity. Unfortunately, it doesn't tell you what one you got out of 100, but there's all the information right there. Put that over here, take this guy out so you can see. Absolutely beautiful. You have all the Canadian theme stuff on the maple leaf itself. It's got a gold plating on it with, I believe this is red ruthenium. I'm not 100% sure. I'm pretty sure though, based on the page that I purchased it from. But overall, I'm very happy with this purchase. I like this kind of unique one-off stuff offered by the Royal Canadian Mint. And I do have some other numismatic coins on order right now from Bold Precious Metals. I believe they are the Space Metals Type 2. So kind of similar to this, but when those come in, I will definitely show you guys. But overall, love the purchase. The only numismatic stuff I'm really planning on keeping a lot of is going to be the Canadian stuff. I did pick up a few 2021 Morgan dollars with the CC and O Privy. I'm going to try to pick up a few of the other ones when the United States Mint decides to put them on their website. But in the meantime, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And in the description below, check out some of the links. It does help the channel out greatly. And if you are interested in purchasing some numismatic coins, I will be posting the website in the description below. So like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.